you see the AI agent node now is running. It got a specific amount of like people. You see, for example, username, LinkedIn profile, and then should write these to our Google Sheet. And you see this person has then been added. Hey everyone, and welcome to our 6th tutorial of tutorials of scrapers. And in today's tutorial we are scraping Instagram. So Instagram also an interesting source to scrape for you, I guess, as well as for me. So what we need to do is we need to create a Google Sheet. And so we go again here to our tutorial. We create this Google Sheet, which is this one. We create a new Google Sheet within our Drive and copy it over, and then we can call it however we want to call it. And then we need to go to Instagram, to a specific channel, and we need to check out their followers. So in this case, I thought of maybe scraping N8N, of people who follow this N8N.automate channel. Apparently these are 1000 people. So what I need to do is, based here again on this tutorial, I need to go to Instagram, I need to go to the followers page, open dev, and then I need to see by followers or API/v1. So let's do that. Let's click on inspect. Let's go to our network tab and we can click on followers, and then we can filter maybe beforehand. Let's filter again and then scroll down. So you see there is a followers/count 12. Let's take this one. We copy as fetch. We paste it over to our manual trigger. Zack. Here we are ready. And we need to then also in our Needle AI agent put the sheet which we actually want to use to write our leads to in here, so that our agent is aware of that. Once we do that, we say run, and now you're already set. You don't have to worry about what is happening here else behind the hood. You just have to put this request, this fetch, and put your right Google Sheet. Let's give this also a different name. N8N.automate, I think is called the Instagram channel. N8N.automate, exactly. So we should see now in a second, you see the AI agent node now is running. It got a specific amount of like people. You see, for example, username, LinkedIn profile, and then should write these to our Google Sheet. And you see this person has then been added to this Google Sheet. Apparently the person that follows N8N.automate. We could also open the specific link to this person. Neural Solutions, AI System Automation and Growth. Apparently somebody who is also interested in automations. And now we are actually scraping all of these 1075 followers, and we are going to write them here into this Google Sheet actually. So that's really cool. If you also want to scrape these leads, feel free to use this workflow here. Needle for free. It's also for free to use. You just have to set up your fetch and you have to set up your Google Sheet, and then it's going to say it's called export Instagram followers of any channel to a spreadsheet. Do whatever you want to do with these leads, and happy lead scraping, happy automation. And I'm going to see you in the last and final tutorial of this tutorial of tutorials of scrapers, in the 7th tutorial soon. Until then, take care and never not automate, and happy automation to you.